Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are good and doing well in studies. In today's video, we are going to do something different other than the NCERT book. Today we are going to do mental maths and reasoning. Yes, so be ready for that and be ready with your minds open and brains sharp. So take your pen and paper and start solving with me. You have to start solving with me. The way I will tell you, focus and enjoy. Let's start. The first question is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now these are all the letters of English. You can see now the question is which letter in this alphabet is the 8th letter to the right of the letter and which is the 10th letter to the left of the last but one letter of the alphabet. The question is, you have to understand it first, that out of all the letters, which letter is the alphabet is the 8th letter to the right. So from the right it is the 8th letter, and which is the 10th letter to the left of the last, means from last it is 10th and but one letter of the alphabet. So it is a one letter. Now the options are X, W, Y, I, H. Now which one is the correct option? Now here is the answer and explanation to the question. The answer is W and Y, you can see it. Now come to the second question. If southeast becomes north, northeast becomes west, and so on, what will west become? Again I will read the question. If southeast becomes north, northeast becomes west, and so on, what will be the west become? Your options are northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Now the answer and explanation is, the answer is southeast. And why? You can see the explanation, it has been given. If the northeast becomes northwest, like that, it is clear from the diagram that new name of west will become southeast. So here you can see why we have written southeast. I have written the explanation properly with the diagram also. So for this, first you have need to know that where is north, south, east and west, and then you interchange them. Now let's come to the next question. How many 4s are there preceded by 7 but not followed by 3? These are all the numbers. You can see there are 4, 7, 3, 9, all kinds of number. But the question is, how many 4s are there preceded by? Preceded means -1. Okay, by 7, not followed by 3. So the options are 4, 3, 6, 5. Answer and explanation over here is, the answer is 4 and the explanation is here 7, 4, 2, that is one pair, one set of number, 7, 4, 6 one set, 7, 4, 1 one set, and 7, 4, 6 one set. Only at these places 4 is preceded by 7 but not followed by 3. Only on this set of numbers 4 is preceded by 7, means 4 comes after 7. Now the next question is, pointing to a person, a man said to a woman, his mother is the only daughter of your father. How was the woman related to the person? Now first understand the question. You have to say the relationship. His mother is the only daughter of your father. Now who would it be? Aunt, mother, wife or daughter? Now here is the answer and explanation. The answer is aunt. And why? Because the daughter of your father, your sister. The daughter of your father will be your sister. So the person's mother is woman's sister, or the woman is the person's aunt. Again, daughter of your father is your sister. So the person's mother is the woman's sister, or the woman is the person's aunt. For this, you need to know the names of all the relationship. Now come to the next question. Find the missing number in the following series. Now there is a series, there is a sequence of numbers, and you can see 3, 5, 5, 19, 7, 41, 9, question mark. Now in this, where the question mark is, which number will come? The options are 71, 61, 79 or 69. Now which number will come in the question mark? For this, first we have to solve the sequence. Like why the sequence is like this. Now come to the answer. The answer is 71. And why? Because first series is 3, 5, 7 and 9. Second series is 5, 19, 41 and question mark. Now if I divide this full series into two series or two set of numbers, then it will be like this. Now difference of second series are 14, 22, 30 etc. The next term is that. Okay, now come to the next question. These are all the letters you can see. What will come in the place of question mark in the following series? So in the following series you can see there is a question mark. What will come in the place of the question mark in the series? The series is LAUGYIEG question mark. Now there is a sequence, you have to decode the sequence, then you will get what will come at the place of question mark. The options are ZHIBNRQH. Now the answer and explanation is QH is the answer. Why? Because the first letter follows +1, then +2, then +3, then +4. This is the decoding. Means it is written +1, +2, +3, +4. The second letter follows +2, +3, +4 and +5. Like that the letters are being given. So don't forget to let me know in the comment section that you have really enjoyed it or not, or if you have any doubt or not. So you really have to do it by yourself also to see whether you can understand it properly or not. So till then, stay safe, study hard. Thank you, students.